Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my operator from Valorant. Here it is. And please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing. So first I'm going to start out with a sheet of paper. So this is just a normal size A4 paper. And you want to fold a 8x8 grid. Okay, so you want to fold it in half. Like so. Then unfold that, then you want to fold the other side in half. Okay. Then unfold that. Then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times, okay? So first, like so. And again, like this, okay? So do that for the rest of the sides. Okay, now you're going to fold this up like an origami fan. Okay. So just like this, you see, it's a fan now. And now you're gonna make a fan going the other direction now for the front. So this is gonna be the front and this is gonna be the back side, okay? So you're gonna do the same thing here. So, and also make sure the edge is facing up. So you see there's 2 W's right here. The edge, make sure it's facing up. And you're going to do the same thing here. So you see that crease line right there? You're going to fold that first crease line down, okay? And then match the corners. Make sure you're folding the crease line. Okay, now you see that next crease line right there? You're going to fold that next crease line down and then fold the corners with it as well. Then you see that next crease line right there? You're going to fold that next crease line down, okay, like so. And then you're going to fold down the corners like that. And now you see those 2 squares? Those are 2 corners right here, okay? So you're going to fold down 2 corners right there. And now you're going to do the back side. So first you're going to fold that first crease line right there. Okay. Fold the corners. So the other corner. Then fold the crease line down. Okay. and then fold that second crease line right there. So fold that second crease line down, and now don't fold the middle part, but you're going to make two corners right here, okay? So you see this two squares right there and the outside square, so you're going to fold these diagonally in half, okay? So fold the corners, then fold it right up to the middle right there. Same thing here. Then fold it down like so. Okay. So this is going to be the pistol grip. It's going to be the magazine right there, the stock, the scope, and the barrel. Okay, and now you're going to fold this bottom piece over like so. And then you see this triangle right here, you want to fold that triangle inside, okay? Then you want to fold this whole thing in half. Okay, and now you see this small piece right here in the middle. You want to fold that square, that piece down all the way. Okay, and then you're going to fold in these corners inside. Okay, like so. And now you're going to take that top piece right here and fold it all the way up. And fold that down like so. So that the center, you see this center line right here is facing towards the back side. Okay, and here's the open side. Okay, you see that slant should be facing this way. This is going to be the scope. And now for the magazine, you want to fold this down fold it down like that. Then you're going to fold it right across. So, and kind of lower it down. So shift it over and kind of lower that down a little bit, okay? And then you see this crease line right here, you're going to zigzag fold right there. So fold this inside, like so, and fold it back out like that, okay? Then you're going to fold this piece, kind of shift it down a little bit, like so, okay? And now you're going to zigzag fold right here for the magazine. So you're going to fold this back, then fold it back down. Okay, like that. And now for the scope, you're going to open this pocket, the front pocket, and fold it down like so. Then you're going to fold this back right where this corners are, or that crease line right there. Fold this back like that. Then around where this crease line is, fold it back forward like so. Then close it back up. And then kind of round that out a little bit. Okay, and for the barrel, you see where this crease line is? Bring this whole piece down where that crease line is. Okay, like that, and turn to the back side and fold this right back up. So, and then fold this whole piece in half, okay? Right against this edge here. Okay, then fold this forward like so. And you see this corner, this point right here, you want to fold that right up to this corner here. Okay, so open this pocket. Like so, then hide in that point. And then you want to fold this barrel one more time in half. Okay. Okay, like so. And then for the back side, so kind of open up that whole back area right here. And you see this triangle right here? Kind of want to shift this up just a little bit so that point comes out. Okay, just like that. You see that that point that comes out? So shift it up just a little bit like that. Then you see that crease line right there? You want to fold down where that crease line is. So fold it down like that. Then fold this back up where that point starts. Okay. Then fold it down. Then if you look in the back side, open up this pocket right here. Then bring this whole bottom piece down. Okay. And make a little bit of room right there. There. And you see this top edge right here? Just fold a little bit of that top edge. It's going to be a little thick right here. But yeah, just try to shape it up best you can. Yep, like so. So here's my operator. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.